Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen flickering while watching Netflix on your PC. First of all, what you have to do is whatever browser you're using, click on the three-dotted button at the top right corner and then go to settings. Find system here, and from here what you have to do is find use graphics acceleration when available and simply go ahead and turn off this toggle. Once you turn it off, you have to go back and check if your problem is fixed, and you have to restart your browser once again and check after that if the problem is fixed or not. But if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is go to settings once again, and this time you have to go to the about Chrome section and check if any update of your web browser is available or not. As you can see, my browser is up to date, but if you got any update, simply update your browser to the latest, and after that restore your browser and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is close your browser completely. Simply go to the settings, or you can also right click and go to the display settings simply right away. Now from here what you have to do is scroll down just a bit in your display settings. You have to check if your scale and display resolution are set to recommended or not. If you're not set to recommended, then simply click on the drop down menu and set them to recommended. My scale is 100% recommended and my display resolution is recommended at 1920 and 1080. So after selecting that, what I have to do is go back and check again if the problem is fixed or not. But if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is go to advanced display section and choose a refresh rate. Simply check and set your refresh rate to the highest possible value or the toppest value on the list. But if the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is you can actually try lowering your refresh rate. Your screen may flicker. Click on keep changes and open your browser and check, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's simply how you can fix screen flickering while watching Netflix on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.